How to make TikTok videos. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. To make TikTok videos, click on plus button at the bottom, which is beside friends and inbox. On the right side, the first option is flip camera, second flashlight, third timer, fourth ratio, and fifth filters. Click on Add Sound at the top to add sound. And then you'll find bunch of audios to make TikToks on. Select the audio and then take a video. Make your video and press on tick mark. Now the second page is edit templates, tag stickers, and all the other edit options. Click on edit at the top. And then you'll be able to split the video, trim, replace, delete, speed, crop, and all the other editing methods. After you're done, press on next at the bottom right. And in here, you can add link, who can watch this video, more options, and share to click on more options. You'll be able to allow comments or allow high quality update. And if you click on who can watch this video, you can select who can view the post, followers, friends, or only you. After that, press on post at the bottom right and you're good to go. This is how to make TikTok videos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.